Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send lead alerts to multiple WhatsApp numbers using round robin technique. Now here I am using paper form. You can use any form building application which you like, and then I am using WhatsApp as usual. Now what is happening and why would you need this automation? Suppose you are running a company and people have been submitting form through your paper form. Now what will happen? First submission will go to employee A, second submission will go to employee B, third submission will go to employee C, and then from there again the fourth submission will go to employee A, fifth submission will go to employee B, and sixth submission will go to employee C, and then this will continue. Now what will happen? The leads will be divided into 3 employees, and 3 employees can work better on those leads rather than one single employee. So we are going to do this automation, and to do this automation I am using paper form and WhatsApp, where a form submission will be done through paper form and a message will be sent to the WhatsApp number of first employee. Then again on second submission the message will be sent to the WhatsApp number of B employee, and on third submission the message will be sent to the WhatsApp number of C employee. Now to do this automation we are going to use an integration and automation service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect paper form and WhatsApp together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect. And after that, what you have to do, you have 2 options. First one is sign in and second one is sign up. Now you can sign in if you already have an account here. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Now what you have to do, you have to go for sign in if you already have an account. So I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in, and here I will just click on login. And after logging in, you will see these are my software. So here I'm just going to go for Pabbly Connect, access now. Now as soon as I will do that, you will see that these are all the automations I have. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and click on create workflow to create a new automation. And here I am going to give this workflow a name now. So let us now give it the name, and the name is paper form to WhatsApp. Okay. Now you can name it whatever you want to. I'm connecting these 2 applications, and that is why I'm giving it this name. And here I'm just going to click on create. And after clicking on create, what we are going to do, here you can see we have 2 windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So what is happening here? We are having a submission in our paper form. So we will go for new form submission, and here you will get the webhook URL. Now what is this webhook URL? Webhook URL is the URL which is responsible for connecting your paper form to your Pabbly Connect account. So I will just copy this webhook URL and follow these steps. Log into your paper form account, edit the form, after submission option, webhook, and paste the above URL. So this is our paper form account. I am using this form, subscribe and sign up form. So I will just go to edit. After submission, integrations and webhooks, and here I have one webhook. I will just remove this webhook and I will paste the new URL and click on add webhook. Now you can see the new webhook has been added. So we will just click on share, social and URL, copy this link, go here and paste it here. Okay. So here in Pabbly Connect account, you can see it is waiting for the response. And whatever we are going to submit here, it will be taken as a response here in Pabbly Connect account. So we are just going to submit, let's just say Arpit Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com, and mobile number is a dummy number 98765456778. Okay. Now I'll just click on submit. And as soon as I will click on submit, you will see in Pabbly Connect account, we will have a webhook response in few seconds. And this is our webhook response. Arpit Sharma is the name. This is the email. And this is the mobile number. Okay. Now we are using a round robin technique here. So how we are going to use it? First, we have to use a feature by Pabbly here, which is number formatter. And by going to counter here. Now we will click on connect, and as soon as we will click on connect, you can see here the initial value is required, operation, change value by, and reset counter after reaching certain value. So what is our initial value? So our initial value is 1 because we are starting from 1, and after that operation is increment because we are going to have form submissions one by one in an increasing order. Then change value by, we are going to change value by 1 because after each form submission we want the data to be sent to a different employee. Okay, now here reset counter after reaching certain value, so we are sending this to 3 employees, and the 3 employees will be working on this project, and one by one whenever the form submission will be done, first the form will go to the first person, then to second person, then to third person, then again back to first person, second person, and third person. So what we are going to do, we are just going to click on save and send test request, and here you can see the status is success, initial value is 1, change by 1, final value is 2. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use another feature by Pabbly, which is router. And here we are going to set 3 routers for 3 different employees. So first, the name of my employee is Adam. Second name of my employee is Jenny. And third name of my employee is David. Okay. Now let's just update these, and now what we are going to do, we are just going to create it. Okay, so in first router, what I am going to do, I am just going to select the filter when the final value 2 is equal to 2, only then the message will be forwarded to this person. Okay, so you can see the status is success and message condition is true because here our final value was 2, so we are taking 2 here first, and then what we are going to do, we are going to choose WhatsApp by 360 here. So we will go for WhatsApp by 360 dialog, and then we are going to go for send template message. Now I'm just going to tell you what is this template message. First we will go for add new connection, and here you can see API key and domain. So what you have to do, you just have to copy this and paste it here as it is for the domain, and for the API key you have to go to 360 client hub and you will click on WhatsApp accounts. Then you will click on generate API key, and when the new API key will be generated, you will copy that key and you will paste it here. Okay, now I already have done that, so I'm just going to go for my final WhatsApp connection and I will save it. Now what we are going to do, you can see I have a template here, and now I'm going to tell you what is the meaning of this template message. So you can see this template here, business_flyers en. So here we will go to WhatsApp account and then we will go to manage templates. Now I'm just giving you an example of a template, which is this one. And here you can see, hi, this is body field 1, a quick message from body field 2 to say your appointment on body field 3 at body field 4 has been successfully booked, and this is the remaining data. So this is how you will have to make a template so that you can do bulk messages from WhatsApp. Now to do the bulk messages from WhatsApp, first you have to get your template authorized from Facebook. Now it can take a few hours and it can also take 1 or 2 days. Okay, so you just have to wait, do not panic, it will get approved by the Facebook and then you can use it. Now which template I am using here, I am using the template lead underscore ran. So this is the template which I'm using here, and you can see, hey, one number, or I should say body field 1, you have a new lead on this, name is this, email is this, mobile number is this. Okay, so we are just going to use this template. So I'll just go here and I will select my template, which is lead ran, and you can see here let it just load. So you can see now our template is ready. Now what we are going to do, here we are going to put the mobile number of the first employee. So what I am going to do here, I am just going to take the mobile number and write it here. So let me just put a mobile number here. So this is the mobile number. Now, before putting in mobile number, let me tell you one thing. I'm going to put my personal mobile number and I'm going to blur it because I have to show you 3 WhatsApp numbers. So let me just tell you first that whenever you are putting a recipient mobile number, first you have to use a plus icon. And after that, you have to use the country code to which you are sending your message to. Like if you are sending it in India, so in India, you are sending it by the country code 91. So you have to put the country code of the mobile number which you are using. And now from here, I'm going to use my personal number and I'm going to blur it. So let's just do it. And this is my number. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here and in body field 1, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write the name of the person, Adam. Then in body field 2, I am just going to write the name of my form, lead form. In body field 3, I am going to map in the client names. Now mapping will let me take the data from my first window, the trigger window, and it will let me map the data here. So the client name was Arpit Sharma. Then body field 4 here, what we are going to do, we are going to map in the details, other details. So here I am going to map in the email, which is this one. And in body field 5, I'm just going to map in the phone number. So this is the phone number, okay? And now I'm just going to click on save and send test request. So wait a minute. Let me just open my WhatsApp on my phone because I have to show it to you. So my WhatsApp is now open. So I'll just go here and show you. So this is my WhatsApp and now you can see I do not have any message from this number. Now I'll just go back here and I will click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see that a new input has been here. And this is the number which I used here. And when I'll go back to my WhatsApp, you can see here I have this message. Hey Adam, you have a new lead on your lead form. Name Arpit Sharma, email arpitsharma@gmail.com, mobile number 9876545678. Cheers, Pabbly. Okay. So this is my mobile number. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use another mobile number for my another employee or of my another employee. So now what I have to do, I have to use the use the router for the another employee, which is Jenny. So what I can do, either I can use everything from the start, or what I can do, I have one more option. I can just clone this. Okay. And after cloning this, I can just delete this Jenny here. Delete this one. I will go back to Adam and rename this as Jenny. So what will happen? I will get everything as it is. I just have to change the values. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go and open this. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just, select the final value, and the final value will be 2 equal to 3. Because when it is changing from 2 to 3, then the data is going to another employee. So we will go and click on save and send test request, and obviously it is going to show as error because 2 is not equal to 3, but we want when 2 is equal to 3, then only the data will go to WhatsApp. Now here WhatsApp by 360, everything will be the same. We are just going to change the name from Adam to Jenny. Okay. And from this number to the number of Jenny, which is +91. And let me just see the number of Jenny. So it's 82693666913. Okay, so this is my office number. Now here body field 1, name Jenny, lead form, data value Arpit Sharma@gmail.com, data value 2 is this. So now we will click on save and send test request again. And after this, when I will click on save and send test request, it will go to my WhatsApp. Now this is my WhatsApp. I am just going to log out of this WhatsApp and I am going to log in the WhatsApp of Jenny. Now you can see I have opened the WhatsApp of Jenny here. So now what will happen? I have a new message here. Let me just delete this message. And now you can see here what I'm going to do. As soon as I will click on save and send test request here, I will have a new message for Jenny on her number. So I'll just click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, I will receive a new message here on this number. You can see, hey Jenny, you have a new lead on your lead form. Name Arpit Sharma, email arpitsharma@gmail.com. Mobile number is 9876545678. Cheers, Pabbly. Okay. Now let me just go back. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do the same step for David. I'm just going to clone this. And I'm going to delete this David here. And now I am just going to rename it to David. And now I will change the action step. So here, filter by Pabbly, after 3, we are going to go back to 1. So when the value is 1, we have to send the data to David. So we will go here, we will change this number. And now I'm just putting in a dummy number. So I do not have any other WhatsApp account for David. So I'm just going to put in a dummy number. So let's just be 76543345667. Okay, so this is a dummy number. I'm not going to have any WhatsApp on this number. Now here I'm just going to type in David. And now lead form value. Now what will happen as soon as I will click on save and send test request, the another message or the another form submission will go to this number, which is a dummy number obviously. So I cannot show you this number on WhatsApp, but I'll just go and click on save and send test request. And you can see it is, it is saying invalid WhatsApp number. So you can put a valid WhatsApp number here and you can just do this automation. Now I'm just going to click on done. Okay. So you can see this is the Adam router. 2 is equal to 2 and everything has been set here. This is the router for Jenny. 2 is equal to 3 and everything is set here. And this is the router for David where final value 2 is equal to 1 and everything is set here. Although the number is invalid WhatsApp number. So we are just going to save it. And now your whole automation is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to try this automation in real time. So what will happen? Let me just go and fill one more form here. So I'll just go here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fill the form. Hani Samuel. Okay. Email is hani@gmail.com and mobile number is 9876556789. Okay. So this is a dummy number. Now this form when will be submitted will go to the person who is next in the round robin lead technique. Okay. So let's just click on submit. And as soon as we will click on submit, this will go to the WhatsApp of the third person. Sorry, not the third person, to the second person, which means Jenny. So I'm just going to take the video of the WhatsApp of Jenny and I'm going to show you that this message will be sent to, or this form submission would have been sent to Jenny. You can see Jenny has got the message. Hey Jenny, you have a new lead on your lead form. Name is Hani Samuel. Email is this. Mobile number is this. Now I'm just going to do one more submission here. So Gary Thomas. Email is garythomas@gmail.com. Mobile number is again a dummy mobile number. So 9876567890 and submit. Now as soon as I will submit this, this will go to the WhatsApp number of David, which was an invalid WhatsApp number. So I cannot show you that. Now I am just going to do it one more time. And now what will happen? When I will send this message will be sent to my personal mobile number. So here Ram Avasthi. Email is, so here email is ramavasthi@gmail.com and mobile number is 9876567890. Okay, 12345678990. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on submit, and as soon as I will click on submit, you will see that I will have a new WhatsApp message, and this is my personal number. As you can see, this is my picture. Hey Adam, you have a new lead on your lead form. Name Ram Avasthi, email ramavasthi@gmail.com. Mobile number is this. So this is how you can connect your form to your WhatsApp and use this round robin technique, so that whenever people are doing form submission in your, or should I say for your company or for any other purposes you are using this form, the form submission will be sent to first employee, then to second employee, then to third employee, then again to first employee, second employee and third employee. And this is how you can divide the tasks between the people, and they can then, follow the leads, call the leads, and the work will be divided and will be done more efficiently. So if you love this automation, you can just go into my description box and clone this automation into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and this automation is very, very useful, and it is very useful for your business. So do not leave this automation, just go and use this in your business. And for account, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, so just go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.